What are we looking for?
Soda.
Soda's down at the end. Yes. Fuck yes.
163.
Oh, sorry.
He said they're gonna get the cheap ones.
What? You got it. There you go. I got him. You rock the trip. Anyway, buddy.
The other one up there. Here's back.
You can leave that there. I'll use it.
I'm your asshole. Hold on my door. The dark skin cop, you think he's black, but he's actually Puerto Rican. That's his cousin. No, it's actually Puerto Rican. Oh, yeah?
He was at the first stop. He was the one that was standing close to us. Or closest to us.
What you got?
Dude, I was looking at the scanner going in my pocket. Huh? Yeah, I know. I just realized that, like, I keep hearing it at random. I'm like, dude, somebody behind me? Oh, yes, please.
Oh, man, what the hell take you so fucking long?
Shut up.
I'm ready. Where you left the camera at?
Right here.
Thank you.
Can you just tell me where we're going next? I think the dude just said that everybody's going to TJ MAXX now. Oh shit. Yep. Yeah, I think the one guy in there just said that we were going to all that we were all going to TJ MAXX. Like he just told the cops where everybody is, even though they already know where it.
Who told them that?
One of the guys standing in line said something about going to TJ Maxx.
Here,
Right to the cop, and he was one of the dudes that the cop was talking to at the first meet. At the first spot.
You got that on your GoPro?
Yeah.
My nigga.
That shit's good.
We're gonna
We
rewind
see
it.
it in the street. We beat
We're
this
gonna,
up.
we're gonna keep replaying it. Snitch, snitch,
This
snitch,
the
snitch.
type of shit we try to avoid.
We're gonna put it on the top. Snitch. And just keep having this picture talking to the cops.
Hashtag snitch.
We're gonna print that picture and pull them around.
Oh shit, I didn't even.
Like this picture.
Yo, did you guys even see that there's the two cops up here?
There's three now.
Yeah, there's 3 now, but there's 4 total.
No, there
But
was
the one over
seven. There
there.
was like 7 of them.
Shit.
This one.
Look, there's one right
And there's the
there,
one
bro.
right here that's leaving.
One right there.
Y'all going to TJ Maxx now? 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, there is another one over there.
Yeah.
And there was one over here filling up at one point. I think.
the one over here with the other two.
Oh yeah, that was him.
Or one there.
Oh, here we go. Here goes another one leaving.
Everybody goes.
Yep, there he left.
There's one back there. Home Depot.
Yeah.
Yo, we should drive past TJ Maxx just to see what the fuck what they're getting into.
Oh, look, there's another one.
Hashtag drive by.
I don't know how you drive and not notice your lights are off.
I've done it once, and it was on the highway. I had fog lights as well, like aftermarket ones. So when I first turned them on, it was the first time like I drove at night with the fog lights. I thought my headlights were on. Then I was like, wait a minute, what? And I flicked my high beams, and it lit up like the fucking day, like it was pitch black. And I was like, oh, okay. Now that I have that comparison,
Damn, look at everybody.
Yeah, I want none.
no, that cop's not turning towards Park City. Neither is he.
Three in here.
Yeah, there's still 3 here at least.
They're throwing coffee. They just throw coffee in my friend's house. In my friend's house too.
You know what he looked like?
With that coffee?
Coffee last week, and then somebody hit his car with
I what's supposed to say? If they hit it with a coffee, that shit made that.
coffee on the back.
He said it's the coffee made that day.
No, talking about that and a coffee.
Got out at different time. And they're like, what?
Yo, they were doing that shit starting to.
I need to get my car refitted though.
I wanted it 5%, but this guy did.
Hmm? I don't know, I'm not really paying attention. Oh shit, I could be.
Class 1, 3910 Continental Drive, 3910 Continental Drive at Prospect Storage. Oh, there. Getting into a storage unit. A gate came down and hit Connor on the head. Female not alert at this time.
I've never been in there.
6 okay.
I know for the kids, I mean, my little sister's still here.
It's a fish spot.
Yeah, it's a good spot.
It's like a Chuck E. Cheese.
Pretty much. But
Like that other place that we went to.
you know what we gotta do one day?
We about to do the plate.
Can you redirect that EMS unit to 215 East Main Street, second down here?
No. Está dejando para allá adentro comiendo. Sí.
Está comiendo café, ¿dónde?
Estaba allí adentro comiendo el cabrón.
No, because he goes over there too.
It goes around. Yeah, es la tablilla.
Esta más que ir a coger las tablillas.
Every one of them. That was the first one that was seen over there. Si está mal,
Te jodiste.
gotta come back around. Why do you think yours comes up at the
Mañana me quedo en casa encochado todo el día. El Sunday, ¿qué está pasando hoy?
Niggas say Saturday.
Más
Yellow
Sunday.
chopita. Mierdita así.
You wanna back?
Yeah.
That's what Sunday, no,
Yeah, we gotta do a fishing.
I don't do fishing, bro.
I don't do fish. You don't eat fish and you
I
just don't
don't
like to
do
fish.
fishing. I'll go fish. I'll go fishing just for the hell of it,
That sounds awful.
but I'm not a fisher. None of that shit.
Yeah, he's the one who said if you got to do the fish, you gotta take it
You
off.
gotta take it off, yeah. You
Fuck
all-
out of here. Stay home.
Yeah, I'm not touching that shit. Fuck that.
Don't worry, me neither.
You're the same food though? Nigga, I'll catch the fish, but I'm gonna have a fish and be like, alright.
Put it
Jeez,
on the hook on
nigga.
it.
I'm not touching
You
that
put your
bitch.
own hook on it?
I put the hook on the fish.
Do you put the worm on the hook?
Yeah, and everything. Yeah, but I'm not touching the fucking fish.
Gloves. I would take the
Yo, I tried.
Yo pescaba mucho
I
con
actually
my-
tried to take a fish off a hook once when I was a kid. The shit closed its mouth on my thumb. I was like, ah! And I flinched.
I like that corn.
Yo,
Yo, Lo, you know what we're gonna think about going
Wait.
to that spot ready?
where's that song coming from?
Why?
This.
That's what-
Oh, okay.
Why, you like that song?
No, that's the song that one car was playing.
No, dog, that is a video.
Fucking dick. God damn it.
I thought he was talking to one of his daughters right now.
No,
That is a video.
Oh, shit.
Okay, can you please check the open tell you
I was fucked yesterday, my PS4 when it started shut off.
Oh, and I was telling you about my Xbox.
Oh, and I'm like, I was telling my brother, what you did to the PS4?
Downloading porno.
And Kiki like, I didn't do nothing. I was like, what you did to it? I didn't do nothing. So I'm like, damn, why this shit not coming on? Yo, nigga, I clicking on it. Nigga, the whole time, she was trying to take the wire to connect her laptop to the TV. So she disconnected the HDMI of the TV. So I didn't know that. Nigga, I'm fighting with a fucking wire. Like 20 minutes. Noticed the wire was fucking loose.
Better 20 minutes
Yeah.
than what was it, almost an hour?
Taking out all the hot shit.
Fix it today.
What, that David, ¿verdad? Lo levantaba ahí mismito, yo. Yo estaba acostado mío, bregando
I
mecánica.
have to go through town tomorrow with the back open.
I think he's taking off for the day.
Yo, las del lado de la puerta tampoco estaban prendidas.
Ahora están todas prendidas.
Ahora no
They
estaban
said,
prendidas.
they said the cops said as long as there isn't no loud music or burnout, they can stay there as long as we want.
Where?
TJ.
That's TJ MAXX.
What they did.
Right there by Park City
That's
Diner.
why we were just there with the contract.
Yeah.
Where we just came from.
Yeah, this is do with the Chichetto that keeps acting out. He's from Harrisburg. He's the one that they just need to kick out. They need to kick him
Them
out.
niggas don't give a fuck. They'll do it again, keep going, then they go to another spot. Motherfuckers be doing that shit, yo.
Just a cut.
This
Just
is
a
fucking-
cutthroat,
yeah.
nigga. Just cut everybody
Like,
else's
fuck, I don't
fun.
give a fuck.
Yeah, I ain't from Lancaster
I'm out.
anyway.
Oh, there's always the nigga. One day I got niggas like that in the Red Civic. I came and lit the fucking whole Juniata with a burnout. Yo, and White Cheyenne wanna come and follow me in the Honda. And fucking who had that black? Somebody had a black Integra Honda. Se me estaba bien gusto. Con el rap ahí. Cogieron a eso, porque yo voy con el burnout, nigga.
Talking shit over there?
I come to around, park right in front of the house.
Talking shit over there?
Look at that. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. He's doing that Civic. Like he's trying to antagonize him.
What are you talking about?
The guy that just took off.
What he's doing? That
Like
was a cop?
Well, you got 3 cops sitting there and
Well,
he keeps
no.
trying to take off. I'm like, is
No,
he trying to antagonize
one
him?
took off. The gray car was there too.
Yeah.
El que da los tickets.
Ajá.
Ese ya metió para allá, acuérdate. He's not there now. Ese va a parquearse por allá abajo, mira. ¿Oíste? Ese se mete para allí y se parquea para el último. Para que venga mandado la curva.
Got it. Come here,
Got
sucker.
him.
Come here. Come here, sucker.
We don't want to check that out or what?
No, tiro.
Hey, come on.
Advising a queue holder is around 15 minutes
Wait.
today for a Jean Jaguar built in a gray Ford F-150.
There it is.
Alright, bro.
Alright, bro.
See it?
Dios te bendiga, Tita.
That nigga still in there. Ya se la van a pasar. Ya se la van a pasar. ¿Se la puso para Florida también, el cabrón?
Hey, dude, those are the niggas you do.
Well, yeah, you actually, that's how you really find out. Like, the nigga really down. The nigga say fuck it, the nigga wasn't down. North Carolina, some shit.